guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be showing you 4 hairstyles that you can do when your curly rod set or your flexi rod set is like stale or it failed. Okay, so if this is what you came to see, then stay tuned. So I achieved these cute curls in my previous video using the magic hair rollers. After about 4 days, my curls started looking janky. Like, you could see the roots look bad, the curls are already unraveling, and I hate when that happens. Don't you hate when that happens? So I, being a lazy natural, decided to fix my poor old curls into cute hairstyles. All you need is a brush and an edge brush and a good gel that'll keep your hair in place. First, I will apply some gel to the roots of the top front section of my hair. Then I lightly section out the top and pull some curls out on the sides of the sectioned portion. Then I use my brush to lay down the hair, then twist the hair and add some bobby pins. In this second look, I make a mid part. Then I section the right side of that part with my hands, and then I twist the section back, and then I add some bobby pins. Now I repeat the same method on the left side of the middle part. In this next look, I section out the front top portion of my hair. Then I secure it into a scrunchie. Once that's done, I smooth the right side of my hair up at an angle using gel and my edge brush. Then I secure the curls in place using bobby pins. I then follow the same method on the left side of my head. I remove the scrunchie up top and fix the curls into place. And voila! A cute half faux hawk. In this last style, I keep the faux hawk and work on a quick updo in the back of my head. I pull the hair at the nape of my neck together and twist while gathering hair on either side of my head as I make my way up to the crown of my head. Then I use bobby pins to secure the style in place. And let's not forget the brush to lay down the hair in the back of my head. And there you have it, 4 hairstyles to try on an old or failed magic roller or perm rod set.